It's going to be war. Because we cannot allow the people who peddle nonsense, the people who tell lies, we cannot allow them to win. So we will have it out. As I have said, it is not just managing the disaster. It is managing the false information. And we have to go to war with that. Too much false information, distracting the people, when we need to have a positive mindset for recovery. So I urge everyone here today, let us have a positive mindset for recovery. For all the people who are vested in creating lies and rumors, I urge you to think as well about your country and what you're doing. There's nothing wrong with being critical, but there is everything wrong in being untruthful. Everything wrong in being untruthful.
Oh, wow.